ahead, draw a thin line underneath. You do that following the shape of your brow, and you want to use an eyebrow pencil that is not very harsh. Like for me, I'm using the dark brown color. If you are somehow darker than me, you want to go in with the dark color, with the complete black color. But if you are someone who is lighter in skin tone than me, then you can still go in with the brown or with the dark brown. So after that, I will go in with my MAC concealer and try to define my eyebrows. You have to do that very carefully so you won't ruin the hard work you already put in place by drawing your brows. So I do that on the lower eyebrow line and on the upper eyebrow line. After this stage, I will just go in with my blending brush and blend in the concealer. Just blend it, blend it, blend it, and you can already see how defined my eyebrows are. Yeah, you just have to define. Just have to go ahead, blend, 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 and that will be all. As you can see, I'm already done with my right eye. I will do the same on my left eye. And you want to do that very gently. You do not want to rush it, especially if you are doing it for your first time. If you are not an expert, please just try to do it carefully, otherwise you're going to ruin the nice eyebrow you already created. Just blend. After that, we are done. So now you have your eyebrow. You can go ahead and just fix any part you think it's not okay, maybe by darkening it again or shaping it. If you ruin it a little bit, you can just shape it. You can go ahead and shape it again with your eyebrow pencil. Just try to blend again areas that are not very okay. Go ahead and comb it to look a little bit natural. Comb the hairs that you have on your eyebrow, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.